Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Live Smart in China. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your remaining account balance in your Bank of China account using WeChat, step by step. Step 1. Access WeChat Banking. First, open your browser and search for Bank of China. On the website, look for the personal banking. Here, you can see QR code for WeChat Banking. Now, simply scan the QR code using your WeChat app. Step 2. Link your bank card. Once the page opens in WeChat, follow the prompts and tap on Send Message. Then, follow the next steps to reach the card binding section. Translate the page using WeChat. And click on Add Debit Card. Enter your card details, registered mobile number, and the verification code you'll receive via SMS. Once done, your card will be successfully linked. Step 3. Check your balance. Now, tap on Check Balance, and that's it. You'll see your current account balance and recent transaction history. Pro tip: keep it handy. You'll now see the Bank of China page inside your WeChat chat window. Long press it and tap Sticky on top to pin it for easy access. From now on, just open this chat to instantly view your latest transactions and balance anytime. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Live Smart in China for more useful tips like this. See you in the next one.